Hello, and today I thought we could talk about degenerative disease. What actually is degenerative disease and what causes it and how can we prevent it and maybe even treat it? Well, it's probably easier to say what degenerative disease is not because degenerative disease is not any infectious disease or any disease of the immune system or any disease or damage that's caused by injury or trauma. So degenerative disease is caused by the degeneration of various cells in the body. So this can be arthritis, where the cells of the joints start to degenerate and disintegrate. It can be chronic renal failure, where the cells of the kidneys degenerate and deteriorate and can no longer function anymore. It could be the liver. So it could be cirrhosis of the liver, for example, where the cells are so damaged they get replaced by fibre. It could be circulatory disorders, it could be heart disease, it could be cancer, it could be skin problems. It's basically anything where the cells are degenerating. So what's the cause? Well, I'm not going to give you any prizes for guessing what the cause of this is. It's poor lifestyle choices. All degenerative diseases are caused by poor lifestyle choices. So if you allow your pet to live as it would in nature, so eating a raw food diet of whatever that creature is designed to eat. So carnivores obviously are meat and bone and guts and all the juicy bits. Rabbits obviously eat grass, horses eat grass, the herbivores eat grass, fresh grass, and the carnivores eat meat and bone. And the omnivores can flip between the two. So dogs have become a bit more omnivorous type of carnivores in that they can survive. They're very adaptable, so they can survive on most things. So the other lifestyle choices that are important are exercise, getting outside in the sunshine, drinking plenty of water, making sure it's clean water. The usual things that I've talked about many times, switching off your electromagnetic radiation producing equipment, which is anything that's plugged into your electric circuit. Just pull the plug out or switch it off at the plug when you're not using it. Particularly Wi-Fi and mobile phones, all those things, turn them off when you're not using them. So once degenerative disease has begun, you can reverse the process by making good lifestyle choices. So the whole point is that this degenerative disease is completely preventable. If you give your pet the opportunity to live as it would like to in the world without human constraints and without human interference of sticking drugs in and sticking vaccines in and doing all the damage that we do using chemicals, feeding completely inappropriate food, then there is no place for degenerative disease. It should not occur at all. So the body is in fact one of the greatest recycling machines that there is. So everything gets worn out. I mean, everything that you use starts to get worn out. But the beauty of natural systems, the whole body, is that it can regenerate. It regenerates using the food that is given it, given the opportunity of rest, given clean water to drink, given clean air to breathe. It recycles and regenerates everything. So when the joints start to deteriorate, it's because the animal hasn't been given the lifestyle choices it needs in order to be able to repair. That's all it is. Same for cancer, same for heart disease, same for everything in our animals. Also actually applies to humans. And so how to prevent this is obviously by feeding a species-appropriate food and some sort of supplement like Pet Plus, for example, with enzymes in it to help the repair systems and antioxidants in it to prevent the damage in the first place. All of the ingredients in the Pet Plus will help the whole repair process. So I hope that you can take that all on board and make really good lifestyle choices for yourselves and your pets. Thanks.